Danny Callahan with Carolina Auto Sales, and today I have a 2004 Nissan Altima 3.5 SE. The car is pearl white in color and it is loaded with all the options. Power windows, power locks, power seat, power everything, guys. Nice thing about this car, you got the aluminum wheels with a nice fresh set of tires on it. I'll tell you another nice thing about this car is this right here. Look there, guys, sunroof. That's what I'm talking about. Roll that roof back, let your hair blow. I'm Danny Callahan at Carolina Auto Sales, 2943 Fred Nash Boulevard, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. My phone number is 843-293-5706. Come by here and drive this car. I'll buy you a root beer. Thank you very much and have a good day.